Good morning. Welcome to your 15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions out there this morning, mild. We'll have some rain showers moving through the next hour or so. Then we'll see most likely just some isolated rain showers for the late morning hours. And then we'll see a chance of a few showers and thunderstorms for the early afternoon hours today as a cold front moves through the region. But overall today we'll see fairly unsettled conditions through the first half of the day, and then we should see more tranquil weather for the second half of the day, especially once we move into the late afternoon and the evening hours. Should see some decent weather across the region. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this area low pressure currently in north and west of our area, continuing to move off into the northeast. That's going to push a cold front through our region for this afternoon. That'll give us this chance of a shower or thunderstorm for the afternoon hours. And then once that does move through around 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon, should see some skies starting to clear out and seeing temperatures rise into the mid-80s. So taking a look at current observations, scattered deck at 2,500, broken deck at 6,500, overcast deck at 11,000, winds out of the south around 9 knots, temperature 79 degrees, and relative humidity at 84%. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have that abundant cloud cover across the region. That area low pressure currently off to our north and east, north and west, continuing off to the north and east, seeing a few showers and thunderstorms off to our south. And taking a look at our radar imagery this morning, you can see we do have a band of showers starting to move through. It looks like these showers here towards Crisfield starting to intensify, so we'll continue to monitor this for any additional intensification, any lightning across the region. So taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see this is at 8 local this morning, and then moving in to about 11 and then noon. You can see we still have those scattered showers across the region, possibility of an isolated thunderstorm. And then once we move in the afternoon hours, I mentioned with that cold front moving through, especially around 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon, could see a shower or thunderstorm move through. Then thereafter, shouldn't really see much activity across the region. That cold front sweeps through off the coast, and we'll see decent conditions with some low clouds building in overnight. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see there's rain showers in here this morning, then more of an isolated variety of showers and possible thunderstorms for later this afternoon. And we'll see dry conditions expected overnight. Possibility of some drizzle overnight, but not much precipitation if we do see any at all. We'll see a chance of low clouds for this morning into the afternoon hours, and then there's heavier rain showers, and then we'll see a chance of low clouds move in with more of a north to northeast wind coming off the water overnight. Our high today will be around 85 degrees for the late afternoon hours, and then a low around 70 for overnight tonight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see cloudy conditions in general today. Could see some breaks during the late afternoon hours, especially after about 18 local, into the evening hours, I should say. Should see some breaks in the cloud coverage. But looking at thunderstorm chances, about a 20% chance this morning, then a 15% chance after 10 o'clock this morning, and then a 40% chance after noon until 1600 local, and then running just a slight chance, a very slight chance after 1600 local to 1700 local at 15%. By tomorrow morning, we should see cloudy to mostly cloudy skies with a good amount of low cloudiness across the region around 1,000 and 3,000 feet. And taking a quick look at our winds for today, we'll see those south winds this morning turning more southwesterly and increasing around 10 to 15 knots, gusting up to 21 knots for the early afternoon hours. And then we should see those winds die down with that cold front moving south and east of our area for the late evening into the overnight hours. And then we'll see an area low pressure start to intensify off the coast, and that's going to give us more of a northeasterly flow by tomorrow morning and slightly gusty up to 19 knots. Our tides are running slightly above normal, and looking into Wednesday into Thursday. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, overcast, and breezy. A chance of showers, very slight chance of a thunderstorm. High of 80. We'll go with an orange here for our precipitation. Looks like a good chance we'll see a brief few periods of some showers across the area. Not a full rain out tomorrow, but going to see some rainfall across the area. Also, a chance of seeing some winds around 23 to 24 knots, so can't rule out a wind gust of 25 knots tomorrow afternoon. Wednesday night, cloudy and slightly breezy, chance of showers, very slight chance of thunderstorm early, low of 68. And for Thursday, chance of low clouds and drizzle early, otherwise mostly cloudy and breezy, high of 79. Both yellows here for our rainfall for Wednesday night and Thursday, so slight chances. Can't rule out a shower coming on off the ocean. especially with that low just off our coast. And we'll see those winds once again on Thursday, gusting up near 25 knots, and a possibility of some low clouds on Wednesday night and a Thursday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.